The translation technology represents progressive innovation aimed at providing solutions to today's challenges. The Polaris translation screw builds upon the familiar features of the Polaris multi-axial screw. The unique balanced start tip geometry minimizes toggle during insertion, provides accurate placement and screw trajectory. The thread profile maximizes the screw interaction of various bone densities. The Polaris screw, featuring the translation technology, allows the screw head to translate up to 3 mm medial lateral relative to the screw shaft, and has multi-axial capabilities, allowing up to 40 degrees of conical angulation. Screw placement no longer needs to be compromised to accommodate rod insertion. Translation screw technology allows screws to be placed in the surgeon's preferred anatomic location. The 3 mm of medial lateral screw translation allows for less rod manipulation and simplified rod introduction. Consequently, the load placed on the bone-to-screw interface may be minimized. The reliable helical flange plugs secure the construct. The Polaris translation screws embody the progressive evolution of bone fixation. The multi-axial screws provide adequate bone fixation and capture the rod in an angulating screw seat. Additional rod contouring may be needed to achieve the desired correction. The Polaris translation screws provide the surgeon with an added level of flexibility via the translating screw heads. The Polaris translation screw provides 3 mm of medial lateral translation, less rod manipulation, and overall easier rod introduction, unparalleled thread performance, and less stress at the bone-to-screw interface.